Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your Lbank crypto account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in lbank.com and click on enter. Now you'll be directed to official homepage of Lbank Crypto. At the top right corner of the screen, you can see a login button. Click on it. Then you need to type in your email address here and a password here. You can also log in with a phone number by clicking on this link here. After typing in your information, you can click on login/register button to log into your Lbank crypto account. You can also click on this I button to view your password to ensure that you have typed your password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on forget password link which is below login button and follow the procedures to recover your password. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.